Cancer cases in people under the age of 50 are increasing rapidly. Recent research shows that daily eating patterns are one of the main factors behind this worrying trend. Cancer cells consume sugar very greedily, far exceeding the needs of normal cells. This explains why high-sugar foods can become fuel for the growth of malignant tumors in the body. Before we start, write in the comment section what fruit you consumed most frequently in the past week. If we want to slow the development of cancer cells, the first step we can take is to reduce the consumption of processed carbohydrates. White bread and flour, candy, sweet drinks, and ultra-processed food products should be limited. The habit of regularly consuming processed sugar, jam, or canned fruit without realizing it can create an environment that supports the development of abnormal cells. But don't worry, there's good news for all of us. Nature has provided medicine in the form of fruits that have extraordinary power. Some of them may already be familiar, but their efficacy in fighting cancer is not widely known. Let's explore 6 fruits that have the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and naturally strengthen the body's defense system. 1. Grapefruit or pomelo. Grapefruit, also known as pomelo, is a tough ally in the battle against cancer. This refreshing fruit stores a wealth of essential nutrients that work together to protect the body from within. A study revealed that just 100 grams of pink pomelo contains an impressive amount of lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that cleanses the body from within and protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, grapefruit is rich in naringenin, a compound that actively inhibits the growth of cancer cells and promotes the death of abnormal cells. This means consuming this fruit can help control the development of disease in the body. The benefits of grapefruit don't stop there. Its high vitamin C content strengthens the immune system and stimulates collagen production. More importantly, this fruit reduces chronic inflammation, a factor that, if continuously present, can increase the risk of various types of cancer. To complete, the fiber found in grapefruit improves digestive health and helps remove toxins that can trigger abnormal cell growth. How much should be consumed per day? Half a grapefruit, or about 200 grams per day, is enough to provide the necessary nutrients without causing blood sugar spikes. Important note for those taking medications for heart, cholesterol, or blood thinners. Consult with a doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet, as this fruit can interact with some types of medications. 2. Apples. Apples are often referred to as a natural shield against tumors. The saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," turns out to be more than just a myth. Modern science has proven that this fruit has strong protective effects against various types of cancer. Apples contain more than 300 bioactive compounds, and many of them have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. Among the most prominent is quercetin, a compound that can inhibit the growth of cancer cells in the prostate and colon. In addition, other compounds in this fruit have been proven to help destroy tumors in the liver. Research shows that regular apple consumption can reduce the risk of lung cancer to a significant level. However, many people make mistakes when consuming apples. To get maximum benefits, there are several important things that need to be considered. First, eat apples with their skin. Most anti-cancer compounds are concentrated in the skin or flesh close to the skin. Second, choose organic apples when possible to avoid pesticides. Third, consume apples immediately after cutting, as exposure to air for too long can reduce their potential benefits. Fourth, try adding a little cinnamon to apples, as this combination enhances flavor and even increases anti-inflammatory effects. The ideal amount of apple consumption is 1 to 2 per day, always with the skin. This ensures optimal nutrient absorption without causing blood sugar spikes. However, it's important to vary fruits throughout the week to maintain a balanced diet. 3. Grapes. Grapes may look small, but their power in fighting cancer is enormous. This delicious and fragrant fruit contains compounds that are very beneficial for health, especially in darker varieties such as red and purple grapes. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, a very powerful antioxidant that works to slow cancer cell growth, prevent its development, and inhibit its spread throughout the body. Additionally, this compound strengthens the immune system, helping to detect abnormal cells before the first symptoms appear. Flavonoids found in grapes also play an important role in fighting cancer. They reduce inflammation, protect DNA from damage, and block the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors. How many grapes should be consumed per day? The ideal amount ranges from 100 to 150 grams per day, which is equivalent to about 30 medium-sized grapes. However, there are common mistakes often made. Many people peel grapes and discard the seeds, yet it is in these parts that most anti-cancer compounds are concentrated. To get maximum benefits, it is best to consume whole grapes or add them to juices or smoothies. Diet can be a powerful weapon in fighting cancer. Small changes in daily diet can make a big difference in the prevention and battle against this disease. What if we start incorporating these powerful fruits into our daily food routines? 4. Bananas. Bananas are a true superfood packed with essential nutrients, minerals, and antioxidants that strengthen the body's defenses against cancer. One of the great secrets of bananas is their lectin content, plant proteins that in various studies have been proven to reduce the growth of cancer cells. Additionally, this fruit helps the immune system recognize abnormal cells before they turn into tumors. Bananas are also rich in vitamin C that protects every cell in the body from damage due to external factors that can trigger cancer. How many bananas should be consumed per day? Nutrition experts recommend 1 to 2 slightly green bananas per day. This not too ripe version has a lower glycemic index, so it doesn't cause significant blood sugar spikes. For diabetics, it is highly recommended to choose bananas that are not too ripe. Bananas with brown spots contain more quickly available sugar in the body, which may not be ideal for this condition. There are several tricks to optimize the absorption of banana nutrients. One is to combine them with healthy fats such as avocados, chia seeds, or crushed flax seeds. This strategy increases vitamin absorption in the intestines. Another excellent way to consume bananas is to freeze pieces for use in smoothies and juices. This method ensures their nutrients are preserved while providing a refreshing sensation. 5. Kiwi. Kiwi is often referred to as the green diamond of nature. If there's a fruit that's underestimated in fighting cancer, it's kiwi. This fruit is a true cocktail of nutrients, very rich in vitamin C, even more than oranges, vitamin E, fiber, and polyphenol. This combination of compounds works to strengthen the immune system and acts directly to eliminate cancer cells, especially those related to intestinal, stomach, and lung cancers. Additionally, the fiber from kiwi supports healthy digestion and helps remove toxins from the body. Another extraordinary advantage is that this fruit contains actinidin, an enzyme that facilitates digestion and increases the absorption of essential nutrients. This is very beneficial for those who have digestive problems. How to consume kiwi to utilize all its benefits? Ideally, consume 1 to 2 kiwi fruits per day to keep the body protected. Choose kiwi with golden or yellow flesh because these varieties contain more polyphenol and vitamins. To optimize nutrient absorption, eat kiwi on an empty stomach or 30 minutes before meals. There's a secret that few people know. Kiwi skin can actually be eaten and is rich in fiber and antioxidants. Although the texture of the skin might feel a little strange on the tongue, you can consume it after cleaning and rubbing it a little. Another alternative is to mix kiwi with natural yogurt or add it to smoothies to cover the texture of its skin. 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing superfood that stores great power in fighting cancer. This fruit is a very powerful antidote to free radicals, one of the main causes of cancer. Believe it or not, watermelon contains 40% more lycopene than ripe tomatoes. Lycopene is very effective in preventing prostate, lung, and breast cancer. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, a natural compound that strengthens the immune system and improves blood circulation. There's one detail that few people know. Watermelon seeds are rich in zinc and magnesium, essential minerals for balancing the body's defenses and preventing genetic mutations that can cause cancer. So don't rush to throw away the seeds when enjoying this red fruit. How to consume watermelon properly. Experts recommend 200 to 300 grams per day, or about 1 cup of diced pieces. This is enough to utilize its benefits without significantly affecting blood sugar levels. Some tips for maximizing the benefits of watermelon. Choose ripe ones with deep red color, as they contain more lycopene. Combine watermelon with chia seeds, flax seeds, or a little olive oil, because lycopene is fat-soluble and its absorption will be more efficient this way. And remember, Don't throw away the seeds. You can dry, crush, or add a few watermelon seeds to your food to get additional benefits from their valuable minerals. Adding these 6 fruits to your daily diet can be one of the smart steps to strengthen the body and create natural defenses against cancer. The main key is variation. Alternate between these fruits throughout the week to get all their benefits and protect health comprehensively. In addition to consuming these anti-cancer fruits, it's also important to implement a healthy lifestyle overall. Make sure to get enough exercise, quality sleep, and manage stress well. Also avoid exposure to carcinogenic substances such as cigarette smoke, excessive air pollution, and harmful chemicals. The combination of healthy eating patterns and positive lifestyle will provide the best protection for the body. Remember that prevention is always better than treatment. By consuming the right foods and living with a healthy pattern, we can reduce the risk of various diseases, including cancer. Are there any close people who could benefit from this information? Small changes in diet can bring big differences to health. Share this knowledge with those you care about. If you find this information useful, don't forget to click the like button and share it with friends or family who might need it. Also write your opinion in the comment section. What fruit do you consume most often and how do you serve it? Also make sure to subscribe to the Seniors Insight channel so you don't miss other interesting health information. Educational content like this will continue to be shared on Seniors Insight, so make sure you keep following us to get the best health tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video on the Seniors Insight channel. Don't forget to stay healthy, stay happy, and always maintain your diet.